Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos from GoHighLevel. This is going to be from GoHighLevel courses, but you can use it on any GoHighLevel thing. So first, you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to want to search for SERP Apps GoHighLevel Downloader. And you're going to find the GitHub link here. So when you go, you'll be on github.com/SERPapps/GoHighLevel Downloader. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, on the right side, you'll see this releases thing. Click on the releases word, and it'll take you to the releases right to the latest, most updated release. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see the different releases for various browsers. Since this is for Chrome, I'm going to click on the GoHighLevel Downloader Chrome Zip. And that's going to download a zip file to my computer. All I have to do is double click to unzip that, or just open the zip file, which will unzip it and give me the actual extension I want. Mine downloaded to the desktop because that's where my downloads go. Yours might go to a downloads folder or something else. Now that you've downloaded it, the next step is that we need to install the extension in Chrome. So I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to type Chrome:// And when I go to this page, I want to take notice of the top right area where it says developer mode. Yours is probably going to be toggled off like this, but you'll want to turn it on. And when you turn it on, you'll see some extra options here on the left side. One being this button that allows you to load that extension that we just downloaded. So I'm going to click Load Unpacked, and I'm going to navigate to that unzipped folder or the extension, and I'm going to click Select. And you'll see here that added the extension to my Chrome extensions area. Now, if you want it up here in your extensions, hot swap, whatever this thing is called, toolbar, click on this little puzzle icon, find the downloader for GoHighLevel, and click Pin, and now it's up there. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to a GoHighLevel course. This is one of my courses, and when you navigate to a page, what you're going to want to do first is click on the extension, and just the first time you do this, you're just going to have to confirm your email address. It's free, but it just prevents spam. So I'm going to go put in my email address here, and it's going to send me a verification code. And when I get this verification code, I'm just going to copy it, place it in this area, and click Verify. And then I'll be good to go. And you can see here it's already detected a video on the page. So I can click this download video button, or if I want, I can just click the download button overlay that goes on top of each video whenever there's a video on a page. So for this example, I'll just click this one, but they do the same thing. It's going to download the video and you'll see this progress indicator. And when it's done, you can save it to your computer. Mine's going to go right here to the desktop, same place as all my other stuff. And that's as easy as it is. That's how you download videos from GoHighLevel.